Today I'm going to show you how to make shortbread. You will need 175 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of butter and 50 grams of caster sugar. Firstly, in a bowl, mix together your flour and your sugar. Then add in your butter, which ideally you want cubed. And with the tips of your fingertips, you just want to press the butter into the flour. Once it resembles breadcrumbs, then you want to start pressing it into a dough. It might take a little bit of time, but it will come together into a dough. Then, on a pre-floured surface, roll out your dough to about half a centimetre thick. Then I have used a fluted cutter, but you can cut it out into fingers. You can use any sort of cutter that you like. Just cut out your dough into your biscuit shapes. Then on a baking tray pre-lined with baking paper, you just want to pop your biscuits on the tray. Make sure that you leave space in between each biscuit to allow for them to expand. Then prick the tops of the biscuits with a fork. This helps to cook the inside of the biscuit as well as it looking nice. Then in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted, bake for about 20 minutes until they are lightly golden. And there you have it. That's how you make shortbread.